dementia researcher with a blog and a rating.
Venture science. What is it? This year, on the back of 18 randomised control trials and 90 peer-reviewed papers, the first ever digital therapeutics for anxiety and insomnia were granted clearance by the FDA. This means that Americans seeking help can now be prescribed by their healthcare professional a clinically effective and non-pharmaceutical treatment for their condition. What's the secret to this success? Big Health, the company behind these treatments, has pioneered a new model of venture science. This is not a company that has spun out from the foundational science on cognitive behavioural therapy to create a new commercial proposition. This is a company that's kept one foot in academia and one foot in the commercial world throughout their development. They are simultaneously building an evidence base and a frontline solution. Academic research and commercial development can be two sides of the same coin, and if leveraged correctly, they can feed one another to generate enormous impact. This isn't a new model, so to speak. The pharmaceutical industry is built on the back of this foundational collaboration between clinical evidence and commercial development. However, the development of digital health products and digital therapeutics today have more often than not missed this piece of the puzzle, which is why these developments are so groundbreaking for the sector. The current marketplace for digital health products for those with dementia epitomises why it is so important to push for both commercial and research success in tandem. Where we see commercial success without scientific credibility, we see a crowded marketplace of products that are really difficult to distinguish between, might not work, and could actually even cause harm. Where we see scientific success without a viable commercial model, we see exciting solutions that are written up in evaluation and impact reports and go on to gather dust as a funding call comes to a close and the money runs out. So what does the future look like for digital health in dementia? This year we've had some exciting news of our own, with the first disease-modifying treatments being approved by the MRHA, the Medicines and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency. But what about the dementia digital health and health product space? There's some promise, but a lot of gaps to be filled. I reckon it's currently 1-0 to pharma. Perhaps if we could nurture a bit more of that venture science magic, we could foster the next generation of dementia innovators to rise to the challenge. These innovators could then build products for people living with dementia that have science baked into their businesses from the outset. And these products could, in turn, not only provide non-pharmaceutical alternatives for people, but also prepare the healthcare system for these new disease-modifying treatments to come through. Are you ready for the challenge? Check out our new Launchpad support package, where we can help you turn your knowledge of the dementia space into the healthcare products of the future. And you can read about our blog post that tells you all about this new support package. This blog's written by Moonan-Howard, Senior Innovator at Alzheimer Society. The innovation team at Alzheimer Society runs several support packages to help entrepreneurs create and develop products for people living with dementia. Launchpad, our newest offer, is a free 4-month part-time support package particularly targeted at academics. Through a series of one-to-one commercial coaching sessions, innovation masterclasses, idea testing workshops, and networking events, you'll be able to turn the earliest ideas into convincing commercial products to win pilot funding and grow your own research venture. You can find out more on our applicant handbook, now available on our website, or come and chat to us in person at one of our Wednesday afternoon office hour sessions.
Thank you for listening. Join the dementia research bloggers and share your own views.